Hi Anders, here we go. Just giving the sound a quick test. That's the configuration that I'm going to use. It's a nice and quick startup these days. This is under Mint. I found the cursor to be a bit juddery under plain toss when there's any disk access going on. Mint's nice and smooth. So I've got the volume cranked right up on my monitor here. So there we go. That's pretty good. I'm not sure if any of the games on here make any noises. Oh, there we go. That's pretty good if you ask me.